So, this is what I tell myself when I feel like the world is closing in on me, when the pressures get too heavy and the deadlines feel like chains, my anxiety levels hit a new high. I tell myself to hold on. Hold on because you still haven't had enough cheesecakes and pizzas, because there will be a day when you and your best friends turn 50 and still will be hawking onto 7 packets of Maggi and some extra masala from one patela with 5 spoons. Hold on to the hope that one day your brother finally shares the chocolate with you. For all those family get-togethers and cousin night outs where the stories get funnier with every bite of biryani your mom makes the best. Hold on to life because a dog is waiting for you to take him home, wanting to love you with his every breath. And because you still haven't found your song, or maybe you did but haven't danced to it in a while. Because those little orphans love when you visit them and the oldies look up to you when you help them. Hold on because who will water your plants and cactuses and treat them like kids? And what are they supposed to do about their daily dose of gossips? Come on, you can't let them die in suspense. Because there's so many beautiful book cafes still on your list where you talk about Sidney Sheldon and Dan Brown endlessly with strangers. And that's how half the city knows you. Hold on because there's so many beautiful poems you haven't read, and there's so many that you have to add on to that list for that day when you would finally have written your own book, your own creation, and put your mark in the world. For those moments when your mom unknowingly hums to a song and dances to it and blushes when she notices you adoring her. And when you and your dad finally have the awkward who's the guy conversation, just to do the same again with your daughter. Live for crushing on to a new human every day and finding a true love who hates Big Boss as much as you do. Who says, "Eh, kya main bolu?" When you sing, "Eh, kya bolti tu?" And with whom you run marathons and go to oldie salsa classes. And what would Chandler do without his bracelet buddy anyways? Don't you wanna be at your best friend's wedding you have been planning for years? And hold on for that day when that trip which got cancelled 1,000 times is finally gonna happen. And Lord, you and those 4 idiots are gonna be major goals when you drunk dance to Koi Kahe Kehta Rahe at a random shack at 1 a.m. in the morning. Hold on for the day when India wins the World Cup again, for the day when we finally qualify for FIFA, when Ronaldo retires and you sob till your cheeks turn red, and when you're mesmerized as you witness the last match of Roger Federer. Hold on because maybe ISRO sends civilians to space someday and you have waited your whole life for it. Or just to be present at SpaceX launch pad one day, feeling the goosebumps of a rocket launch. Hold on because you wanna cry one more time when Aman dies in Kal Ho Na Ho and your childhood self promised to love Shah Rukh till you die. You can't break that. Because all the rom-coms aren't gonna watch themselves, and don't you wanna watch 10 Things I Hate About You for the 60th time? And what about when you swore to pass on #WallE and E forever, at least to 3 generations? Hold on because you can't let your kids watch all the shitty cartoons of their times. Live because one day your child will look up to you as a superhero, and trust me, you don't want to miss on that feeling. Live because one day you have to build a small house on the beach and paint it white on the outsides and blue on the insides and put up 1,000 Polaroid frames on the walls. Live because the sunset is calling you to drown into the magic of it. You always said the sun gives me hope. Remember how you would never miss sunsets and quoted that the sun sets because you have a weird chemistry with him, and it wants to give you the chance you missed in the morning to adore him because you were too lazy to wake up. Well, your lover is yearning in the hope to make you believe in second chances again. And those waves on the beach have traveled miles to tell you that they understand, but also to convince you about giving just one more shot to life, because they too have reached the shore after getting pulled back 1,000 times. But they did reach you, didn't they? Hold on for those little moments of pleasure when you're sitting on your terrace as the droplets of rain tickle your face, and while the wind gracefully makes its presence noticeable, with some chai and pakoda in your hand and a 90s playlist on your Spotify. Live because you haven't been on your long awaited solo trip to Northern Lights, which you have been planning for years, or seen all the beautiful beaches of Seychelles. Live because there's no problem your mother's lap in a hot oil massage can't solve. Live because, as Sherlock said, your life is not your own, so keep your hands off it. Live because there's a place in the corner of the world where you will find yourself yet again. And live because there are infinite reasons to live, but most of all, live to tell the people who are going through what you are how beautiful life is. And isn't it really beautiful to save someone? Starting with you.